Hi, I'm Jennifer Putland. I'm an education coordinator at Ocean Networks Canada at the University of Victoria in Victoria, BC, Canada. Before I begin, I would like to acknowledge with respect that the university stands on the traditional territory of the Lekwungen people. This is land that the Esquimalt, the Songhees, and the Masonic peoples continue to have historical relationships to this day. So today I'm actually at Ocean Networks Canada and I'm in the kitchen here. And the reason I'm here is because I want to show you some activities that you can do at home to help you better understand some of the ways in which the ocean is impacted by carbon dioxide and warming. So I encourage you to do these activities. And if you do and you want to share the results of the activities or maybe a video of yourself doing the activities, please share them with us on Twitter and tag us at Ocean Networks #KnowTheOcean. You've probably noticed or heard that the ocean covers about 70% of the Earth's surface. As a result, it represents a huge surface area for the exchange of liquids, gases, solids, and heat. In terms of heat, collectively the oceans have absorbed about 90% of heat generated from greenhouse gas emissions. And this has led to ocean warming. So in this particular activity, you're going to gain an appreciation for the amount of heat that water must absorb before its temperature increases. You don't need much for this activity. You just need to have two balloons, one filled with air and another one filled with water, and a lighter or a match. Count the number of seconds it takes to burst the air-filled balloon after you hold the flame from the lighter or match directly next to the air-filled balloon. Count the number of seconds it takes to burst the water-filled balloon after you hold the flame from the lighter or match directly next to the water-filled balloon. Heat capacity is the amount of heat needed to raise the temperature of 1 gram of substance by 1 degree Celsius. As you can see from this activity, water's heat capacity is much greater than that of air. It takes a lot more energy to change the temperature of water than for the air. That the oceans have warmed as much as they have tells you that the ocean has absorbed an enormous amount of heat. If you wish to share your activity results with us, please do this on Twitter and tag us at Ocean Networks #KnowTheOcean. Now, before we move on to the next activity, be sure to clean up your equipment and answer any teacher questions. See you at the next activity.